Welcome back to your morning. Let's get the latest on the storm and what comes after it in Mike Goldrick's 7-day Weather on the Ones update.
Well, we have some big time changes heading our way. We're in the upper 30s and near 40 today. Low to mid 40s early tomorrow morning, teens by Saturday. There's a big old nasty cold front that will be sweeping through all of the Northeast, all of the Great Lakes, causing big time travel headaches as we head towards Christmas weekend. One of the more colorful maps I've seen in quite some time here in western New York. We have all kinds of weather alerts that go into effect tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. Today we're fine, no worries. Today is the day to prepare for some pretty darn nasty weather setting up as we head from Friday into the upcoming weekend. Blizzard warning goes into effect 7 a.m. Erie, Genesee, Niagara, Orleans counties through 7 a.m. Sunday. 48 hours of blizzard warnings due to lake effect and winds gusting over 60 miles per hour. Winter storm warnings, Monroe, Wyoming, especially the western half of those counties, winter weather advisories, wind chill advisories. It's going to be bitter cold all areas as we go through the next few days, starting tomorrow morning. Strongest wind gusts will be Friday afternoon into Saturday morning. 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts will be possible. Power outages are likely to develop Friday afternoon, Friday night, Saturday morning. Combine that with temperatures plunging into the teens by day's end, sub-zero wind chill stays bitter cold. Snowfall, light accumulations tomorrow, but we get the rain, washes off the salt, little bit of snow, temperatures drop, roads will become very icy for at least a few hours tomorrow morning until crews can get out and resalt everything. Big time weather event heading in. You know I don't alarm, I alert, and I typically don't really amp up storms, but this one I really want to drive the point home. This is a very dangerous setup here for Rochester and the Finger Lakes, especially the west side. Thursday noon, where all is quiet. Rain showers start breaking out by 5 p.m. Look at the green coming through. That's through 11 o'clock, still dealing with the rain showers. Friday morning, 7 a.m., let's stop it there. 40s, area-wide rain showers. Look what's going on over here towards Batavia, Perry. Here comes our front. Bam, look at that, quickly goes through. By 9 a.m., we're in the 20s. It is windy, the wind is howling. We're finding scattered flurry snow showers. This is when the roads will be extremely icy. Then we get some more light snow coming through. And then I want to pause it here, and this would be roughly 5 p.m. on our Friday, and look what is happening. Keep an eye on the west side of Monroe County. That's where we had that lake effect snow. During this time frame, you're going to have the winds gusting 60 to 70 miles per hour. Travel in this zone Friday afternoon through Christmas morning is going to be next to impossible because of the wind and the snow. Wind gusts Friday morning, 8 a.m. Already seeing winds going 45 to 55 mile per hour gusts. The strong winds spread all throughout Rochester and the Finger Lakes. Pausing at 7 p.m., we may start clocking some 60, 70 mile per hour wind gusts, especially on the west side. It stays windy right into Saturday morning, right through midday Saturday. Look at that, by noon, still could see wind gusts 50 to 60 or more miles per hour, lesser amounts through the Finger Lakes. Let's take a look at what we can expect for the power outage index. A few will be possible as early as 8, 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. Notice the colors you see focused on Monroe County points westward, but even into the Finger Lakes, we could start seeing power outages by 10 p.m., most numerous on the west side of Rochester, between Rochester, Niagara Falls, and Buffalo. Even the threat for some more outages coming in right through midday on our Saturday. Do not take this storm lightly. Have a plan in case you lose power and travel again next to impossible on the west side. Snowfall amounts by, noon tomorrow, around 1 to 2 inches of accumulation. By 5 p.m., there's that lake effect. And then the snow is going to be next to impossible to measure because the wind is 60, 70 mile an hour gusts. Brutal conditions in that lake effect snow band around Buffalo, extending to the west side of Rochester, heading into our Saturday evening. Dangerous weather coming up Friday, Saturday. Things settle down Saturday night into Christmas Day, but still a tough go of it. Better weather comes in next week. I'll be back in less than 10.